we have another student from Khaybar Green English Language Center, and gonna ask him about English language. That why do you learn English? First, introduce yourself.
My name is Hirashan. My father name is Ajnabi. I come from Farshkali, and I read in class 7. I read school in Kohi.
Why do you learn English?
Because it's very important and it's used in all of the world. And nowadays in Pakistan, it is the most important. Therefore, everybody should to learn English.
Okay, if a student wants to learn English, so how can he learn?
He can learn when he give time to English. When he give heart to English, someone give heart to something, something will give heart to him.
That's a good point. So what do you think about your staff? Are you satisfied from them or not?
Yes, Alhamdulillah, I'm very happy from them, and I appreciated my teachers to open a center for us, and I appreciated them more and more.
How much time have you given yet to English language?
I gave, sir, 2 years. Yes.
Do you have any small message for those students who are roaming here and there and wasting their time?
Yes, I have a suggestion proposal for them that every person should learn English. Everyone should get education, because nowadays education is very important. Education is shine. You should shine yourself. When you shine yourself, first you should get education. That's very important. And also English, maths, you have to learn everything. And I requested to those people that do not be opposite of your national language Urdu, because if some of country live their own language, so he considered as a servant in front of other countries. So English, I know I'm not the opposite of English. Everybody should learn English, but as well as Urdu. That's important because it's the national language of Pakistan. Yes, there are some students, there are some people, they opposite of Urdu, and they quite belong to Urdu. So I requested to them that you can learn English. I also respect your own language.
Thank you so much. Okay, درمنو کتونکو دا مې تاسو خال چې د ضلع خیبر مشران څومره تکړه دي په انګلیش کې خبرې کوي، دا کې ډېر زیات قابلیت دی. ورڅو نور سټوډنټس سره خبرې کوي.